people, hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for all the support. Okay, today I'm here to make a vegetable burger. Okay, nice and healthy dish, and seems like it's raining today, so I'm gonna start cooking inside. Stay tuned. Thank you. Alright guys, there you go. So potatoes, carrots and broccoli are boiled and strained, and then I'm gonna mash it into a fine paste now. So what I did is I boiled the vegetables and strained it and left it in the strainer for a couple of minutes, and then we just need to make sure that they are mashed thoroughly. There you go, nice and easy. I'm adding finely chopped onions, and then that would be green chilies, one garlic and some mint leaves finely chopped. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. So the paste is very liquidy and soft, so in order to make it a bit tough, I'm just going to add some corn flour. I'm going to just mix it. So corn flour helps us to make the patties very good. So I'm going to add a bit of dry spices, salt and pepper. That's red chili powder, some turmeric, adding some cumin powder, and coriander powder, and finally the garam masala. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Adding a bit more of corn flour. That's it. So I've got my pan, splash of olive oil, and what I'm doing is I'm going to use a scoop and a spatula, and then I'm going to flatten the patty. That's it guys, simple and easy. Just make them into a round shape, and what we need to do is we're going to cook them both sides 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown, and then we're good. And we're going to turn it. That's it. There you go guys, nice and crispy and golden brown. What I did is I just added a cheese slice, and then I'm gonna use 2 patties in one burger. So we're gonna start doing the burger now. So what I'm preparing is I'm preparing some sauce. It's oyster sauce, ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm using eggless mayonnaise so that it's completely vegetarian. Mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. What we're gonna do is just slice some tomatoes and onions. And I'm gonna slice the burger bun, and we're just gonna toast the heel and the crown on a hot pan with some olive oil. Put it aside. That's it. Just toasting the bread. Give it like in a minute or so, and then we can start assembling the burger. That's it. Take it out. We're gonna use the sauce. Spread the sauce on both the sides. And we can start assembling the burger. Tomatoes and onions. Place the patty. Some nice lettuce. Close it with a crown. There you go, guys. Yummy vegetable burger ready. Done and dusted. Alright guys, thank you very much. Hope you like the burger. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Enjoy.